how to fix message notification not working in Narzo 70 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option do not sound and vibration. Now click on it and then click on do not disturb. Now here you can check your do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back and scroll down and click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the option camera. Now click on camera and then scroll down and click on go back, scroll down and click on messages app. Now click on messages app and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of your camera. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and here enter your password for reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.